Good morning, friends. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Today I want to take a look at 3 free apps that make my life a lot easier as a digital content creator. These apps do include in-app purchases if you want them, but the functions I use on them are all free and are just super quick and easy to use and work really well for the content that I produce. So the first app is called Unfold. This app is great for making Instagram stories, especially when it comes to using fonts that aren't available in the Instagram app itself. You can add text, images, videos, all into these neatly laid out formats, making Instagram stories a lot easier, and it gives your stories a more professional feel to them. It's great because you can change the background colors on the stories. So I use this for my personal Instagram account. I also use it for Heard on Campus, which is an Instagram page run through Live from Studio B, which is a comedy show that I'm part of. So it does really come in handy for stuff like that, where you just need text on a background, images on a background, or any combination of the two. It comes in handy a lot. So Unfold, great app, have to have it if you want to make professional looking Instagram stories. The second on the list, this one's a bit lesser known, is called PicsArt. I use it pretty much just for one of its functions, and that is putting little borders on all of my Instagram posts. If you look at my Instagram feed, you'll see that my images all have these white borders so that the grid looks like they're kind of interlocking, and I think it looks really good in the feed itself just to have these nice borders on them. So PicsArt is great for that. It's super simple to just add a border real quick, export it, and then post it that way. I used to do it inside Photoshop, which does preserve the quality of the images, but a lot of times when I'm just sort of on the go and want to get a post out, PicsArt is great to have just to add the border real quick. And last but not least is VSCO. VSCO is indispensable when it comes to photo editing for me. They have great presets that I'm usually able to find one there that works for whatever image I'm working with if I'm going for that sort of stylized look. In particular for my YouTube thumbnails, I always use the HB2 VSCO preset, so it gives my channel a bit more of a cohesive feel and gives a consistent aesthetic to it. So it's really good for that. It's also got other good editing tools within it, so that's worth checking out. It's definitely worth noting that VSCO preserves image quality way better than a lot of other photo editing apps. I've had problems with compression on things like Lightroom Mobile and other editing apps where the file size just drops off after I edit with those. That doesn't happen as much with VSCO, so that's another plus for it. So if you're just starting out creating digital content, or you've been doing it for a while and are looking for some easier solutions, these 3 apps are really great for just making your life easier without spending any money. So I hope this helped. I hope you found something you can use, and until tomorrow, peace.